just stopped at the beginning of Geneva Creek Road.
All right, surprise. This is in fact not the Geneva Creek Road. So we are going to head out. All right. Look at this. Under that. 500 feet. We're going to go this way. Forest Service Road 119. We just started off on the base of Geneva Creek Road. We're getting into some gravel. Let's switch over to off-road mode.
All right, the actual start of Geneva Creek Road. So here you can see the start, really. I'm not anticipating this being too crazy, but I don't know yet. It's my first time heading up the trail. So, this is a pretty good climb here. Yeah, nice, nice. Stop here for a sec, take just a little bit of a break. That was a hoot. All right, we're at a quick stopping point on Geneva Creek Road. It's been pretty mellow. I take that back. It's been a lot of fun. A lot of rock, exposed rock, but the rocks are, for the most part, tied in. They're not loose, so it just makes it a hoot to cruise over this stuff. Bit of a snafu. Just erased all the footage from my chin-mounted camera a moment ago, so I'm gonna hopefully recover that when I get home. I think we're gonna put all the cameras up and head up just a little bit more. All right, and we're off again. You know what? I'll tell you what, do me a favor. If you've ever deleted a full SD card worth of material, hit that subscribe button for me. Up we go. Oh, wow. Okay. Beautiful. A little bit more of an incline here. Let's see if I can get over to this right-hand side. Oh yeah. Love this bike. We are definitely climbing at a decent clip here. Rocks are getting more and more loose as opposed to embedded into the trail structure. That is beautiful up there. Some fresh snow. Let's get an eyeball on this. I'm hopeful that we'll get up and there'll be an area up here where I can launch the drone and just get some fun footage. Just riding the less loose stuff for as long as I can. Oh, and this looks a little rocky there. Tell you what, that was a bit of a workout. We're gonna grab a bar for a minute. A lot more loose rock than some of the bottom areas. Up is looking like a lot more of this. You can see off into some of the distance a little bit of that fresh snow, fresh powder. I think I'm gonna grab a little bit of coffee and a bar and just chill here for a few minutes. I guess it's okay. Man, I wish this was a pumpkin spice latte. You guys with me? We'll check Onyx off-road maps here in just a second and see how close we are to the top. Hopefully we're not like 2,000 feet and I just stopped here as opposed to keeping going. All right. Oh yeah, we're pretty close to the top. We're the blue dot. You can see the trail just kind of goes up and dead ends. It's a little bit more than 2,000 feet. We're about 11.5 in elevation here. Better take a selfie for my wife too. I think it's time for us to push on. Here we go. You know, I wonder if I can get over to that other side. Without any momentum, this is definitely getting in my head. Oh my word, that was ugly. A little snowflake or two. I have no idea. I've earned this, man. I'm gonna get off and fly the drone around a little bit. All right, we've made it up towards the top of Geneva Creek. While I'm here, I wanted to show you guys kind of the boulder basin that we're in. It's pretty phenomenal. You can see some switchbacks over there. All right, so my game plan here, I'm gonna pop the drone out. Back over to the Pan Am. Gearing up, and we are going to head down a little bit. Done. Oh, here we go. This is probably, I'm guessing, some sort of a mining spur. All right, I'm thinking Geneva Creek is probably this way. Looks like we got a water crossing here. You guys know how I love those. There we go. I'm just kind of interested to see, I guess,
where this goes. So we got a little turnaround area here. No motor vehicles. I misread that. I thought it said motor vehicles. I'm like, I just don't think that I should do that. And yeah, I'm not gonna do that. Let's see if we can get turned around here. I don't know if that's an old miner shack there or an old trapper's shack. I'm gonna kind of mosey our way back out of here. That was not the line I really wanted. So really there's one spot that I'm mildly concerned with on the way down, and that was a real loose scree area. So we will pick our way down as best we can. I really enjoy the Pan America. Whatever adventure bike you find yourselves on, I hope you enjoy it as much as I enjoy this, because they are a lot of fun. Little frozen ice pocket there. Ease it down. Hopefully we don't encounter anybody coming up. And we are going to manage our speed wholeheartedly. Lost it there. I'm going to put the kickstand down just in case. Pop that up over a little too much. Yeah, this isn't that bad. Make sure I got a handful of front brake here. Commit to the lift, Jim. Well, not my finest moment there. Who's having fun yet? Oh well, that view is worth it. I'm getting into some stuff that I feel like I can manage at least. Alright, a little bit better. That was one little section, which is full of a lot of loose rock, and it's steep enough for me to not really enjoy that. Well, we're just going to mosey down from here. You know what, everybody? Thank you very much for watching the channel. Hopefully the content is fun and enjoyable, and you get some value out of it, especially when it comes to doing maybe a little bit of trail recon. So we are going to tick off Geneva Creek Road as done and done. Let's stop right here.